Good morning, and we are here and we're back sa First Park, Baliwag. Ayan, so open na ang ating una model house, ang ating single detached dito, and but still available ang ating mga townhouse. Okay, let's go. So 54 square meter ang ating house floor area, and we have 3 bedrooms, slice office area yung isa, and turnover nito is finished turnover. You have your fence and gate na. So here's your carport, car garage. So let's check inside. Welcome to our una house model unit. So this is a big area, open area of living and dining area and kitchen. So let's check. Buksan natin ang mga ilaw. Okay, so, and we have our and so you can have your laundry area rito sa likod since meron tayong faucet and may saksakan. Okay. Finished turnover naman tayo, pero makikita nyo ay mas model siya. So magaganda ang ating mga accent, and pati dito sa ating toilet and bath may mga accent na, but pag turnover, yung usual turnover lang natin. Itong ating toilet and bath dito sa ground floor, and you have your minimally sink. Ang cute. And yan, you can opt out na magkaroon ng ganyang style. And we have our jalousie opening para may hangin pa rin mag-flow. We have our steel railings and so far, nagugustuhan nyo ba ang ating unit? Ayan, so don't forget to message or like our YouTube channel, HomeKey 2017, or look for Clarice Lacanilao. So pag akyat ninyo, makikita nyo na inyong shared toilet and bath. So, ayan. Almost identical. And medyo mas maluwag yung shower area niya dyan. Ayan. And your jalousie. And yung bubong, kasi paslan siya pababa rito. So, I guess, medyo mas abot mo siya. Ayan. Pero 5'3" naman ako. Ayan. Ang ating first bedroom na, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na I don't think na kung pwede siya maging bedroom. Pero pwede siya maging office area ninyo. So, ganito lang siya kasi kaliit. And our baby room, pero pang small lang siya, study area. Ayan. Ang ating second bedroom here, ayan, so single bed, and you can put some desk there, and cabinet din sa gilid. So, medyo mas maluwag-luwag to compared dun sa una nating nagian. And ang turnover natin ay jalousie dito na window. Ayan. And we have a small window din. Here's our master bedroom, and quite decent size for you, for your husband and wife. So I guess this is a double size bed, and you have your 2 window for the natural light coming in, and you have your cabinet. But I think syempre hindi kasya sa inyo to, so lakihan nyo pa. So meron naman siya dyan. And then this is a big desk. Okay, so if you want a TV, kaya pa dito. If you like this unit, and limited lang ang ating una model house unit sa First Park, so don't hesitate to message us for schedule of your site viewing. And thank you and God bless.